In this video I will show you how to remove a car stereo from dashboard in 4 simple steps. So this is a Sony radio. It's an aftermarket piece. So the first thing is to start with removing the front part of the radio. It's very simple. Then you just have to remove the trim panel. You just have to grab and pull it. And for that we have to use special tools, or if you don't have a special tools, you can use 2 knives with thin blades. Just like that, you have to stick it on the side. So we will go with special tools. You have to stick it on the side and then you have to pull it out. And then you have to remove the antenna cable. You just have to pull it out. And then you have to remove the cables also. You just have to press on that to release the cables. So if you want to see how we release the radio, we just press on that locks to release it. So to remove the mounting sleeve, you just have to use a flat and thin blade screwdriver. If you see, those two are bent. So we have to just pull it out. Using a flat blade screwdriver. Then we pull it out. Those are the locks that keep in place the radio. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. This is how it works. So when you push the key into the radio cage, you see this will release it. The radio, it will come out easily. It's also the same on the underside. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.